In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter out pros in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to give any photo in your design a polished, consistent look using Canva's built-in filters, quickly and confidently. First, make sure your design is open and visible on the canvas. Locate the photo you want to adjust and simply click it. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box and handles appear around the image, and a set of editing options will show up. If you don't see those options, click the photo again to confirm it's highlighted. With the image selected, look for the Edit option in the toolbar or side panel and click it. This opens the photo editing controls, where Canva groups useful adjustments and effects. Opening Edit ensures any changes you make will apply to the photo you selected, not to the entire page or another element. Inside the editing panel, find the Filters section. To explore everything available, click See All. This expands the full library so you're not limited to just a few presets. Think of filters as ready-made looks that instantly change the mood and color balance of your photo without manual tweaking. Take a moment to browse through the options and select the filters you like. As you try them, watch how your image updates in real time. Look for a filter that supports your project's tone: warm and cozy for lifestyle content, cool and crisp for modern tech, soft and muted for minimalist layouts, or bold and high contrast if you want dramatic emphasis. If your design includes people, pay attention to skin tones and make sure the filter keeps them natural. If you're building multiple pages, pick a filter that you can reuse for consistency across the entire design. Trust your eye and your purpose. Ask what story the image should tell. Should it feel energetic, calm, vintage, or editorial? Choose the filter that gets you there with the least visual distraction. If something feels off, switch to another until it clicks. There's no risk. You can change your mind at any time, and Canva will update the image instantly. Once you've landed on the filter you like, you're done. Your photo now carries a cohesive, professional look that matches your design. Canva saves your changes automatically, so you can keep creating without interruption. That's all it takes to refine your images with filters in Canva. Click the image, open Edit, view all filters, and select the one that fits your vision.